This is not a villa. This is an illusion of the ocean inside a home. It started as empty concrete, just a raw space facing the sea. But then something incredible happened. A layer of transparent epoxy was poured, and the floor began to transform. Deep blue, turquoise waves, flowing beneath your feet like real water. Now the ocean is no longer outside the villa, it's inside it. And when the work is done, you don't just see a house, you feel the ocean.
Which stage amazed you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury home makeovers.